CII म्हळ्यार भारतीय उद्देग परिसंघाक अभिमान दिसता. मल्टी मॉडल लॉजिस्टिकाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान व्यापार संभाव्यताय ऑनलायन करपाची मोख दवरून गोंयांतल्या लॉजिस्टिक मळार क्रांती घडोवन हाडपाचो हेत दवरल्या. ते नदरेन ही परिशद घडोवन हाडटा. CII पॅनल ऑन लॉजिस्टिकाचो मेंटर एंथनी गॅस्केलान सांगले. शुक्रारा 29 सप्टेंबराक ताज पणजेच्या प्रतिष्ठीत विवांता हांगा जावपी कॉन्फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री म्हळ्यार CII लॉजिस्टिक कॉन्फरन्सची भोव अपेक्षित 9वी आवृत्ती जाहीर जाली. CII पॅनल ऑन लॉजिस्टिकाचो मेंटर एंथनी गॅस्केलान सांगले. लॉजिस्टिक हे अर्थीक वाड घडोवन हाडपाची आनी रोजगाराच्यो संधी निर्माण करपाची तांक आशिल्ले एक म्हत्वाचे क्षेत्र. ह्या वाठारांतले एक मुखेल मल्टी मॉडल लॉजिस्टिक हब जावपाचे गोंयचे ध्येय प्रत्यक्षात हाडपाचे नदरेन ही परिशद म्हत्वाचे पावल.
Policy and the PM Gati Shakti program throughout the country, and she's spared time to come to Goa to help us in our efforts to do the same in our state here in Goa. So I'd just like to run you through the different sessions. We'll be publishing the program shortly, but I can just give you an outline of what we're going to talk about in this session. We're going to have 4 business sessions. The first one will be concentrating on air cargo. As you perhaps remember from last year's conference, the main theme of last year's conference was Mopa Airport as a game changer for logistics in Goa. So Mopa Airport is now open. It's now open for international cargo operations as well as domestic cargo operations. And already there are international flights carrying cargo to and from Mopa Airport. And more international flights are expected to commence using the airport as the winter program gets implemented. And what we understand from GMR, who are operating the airport, is pretty soon there will almost be daily international cargo flights operating from Mopa Airport. So that's like a big step in the right direction as far as air cargo logistics in the state is concerned. So the first session will really be talking about Mopa Airport and like the potential development plans and what are the cargoes that can be developed to support the operations there. The second session we are going to talk about the PM Gati Shakti program and the Goa state logistics policy. As you're aware, India has adopted a national logistics policy. Now Goa state has also written the state logistics policy, which has been adopted in the recent assembly session, and now that policy needs to be implemented. So a policy is a policy, but then what are the next steps after that? When you come to implementing the policy, what does that mean on the ground and what's really going to be happening? So we want to explore those options, and in that session we have this Ms. Sumita Daura also, and we have Ms. Swechika Sachin, who's the IS officer charged with putting forth and implementing or putting out the state logistics policy.
GOA365 खातीर नितीक्षा गांवकार, जवाहर बर्वे आणि संगीता ओली.